Russia declares space war on NASA. The greatest historical events often unfold on the edge of science and technology. One of the most exciting moments in human history is space exploration. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new era of Mars exploration, two space powers, Russia and the United States, are entering a fierce race to create reusable rockets capable of delivering humans to the Red Planet. This competition, against a background of historical friendship and rivalry, determines the future of our presence in space. Since the launch of the first artificial Earth satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957, the USSR and the USA have been engaged in a fierce race for space supremacy. This era, known as the space race, led to many significant achievements, including the first human flight into space, Yuri Gagarin, in 1961, and the first human landing on the Moon, the Apollo project, in 1969. However, after the Cold War, the space race lost its intensity, and the USSR, whose capital was Moscow, and the United States, centered in Washington, began to cooperate in space. As a result of the cooperation, the International Space Station (ISS) was created, symbolizing peaceful coexistence in outer space. Despite the cooperation, today we are witnessing a resurgence of rivalry between Russia and the United States in space. One of the key areas of this rivalry is the development of reusable rockets for missions to Mars. In April 2024, the head of Roscosmos, Yuri Borisov, said that Russia had developed a reusable Amur-LNG rocket that could well compete with the famous SpaceX. Russia is very serious about conquering space, even despite the ridicule of the NAS. The Russian space program traditionally differs from the US approach. Instead of focusing on private companies such as SpaceX, Roscosmos, Russia's state space agency, remains a major player in the industry. Russian engineers and scientists are working to create the latest rocket technologies capable of providing efficient and safe flights to Mars. The Amur-LNG project is a key initiative of Roscosmos aimed at conquering Mars. The Russian approach, focused on public administration and centralized financing, often places emphasis on long-term sustainability and security, while the American approach, based on the principles of private initiative and market competition, promotes faster innovation dynamics and commercial success. The rivalry between these approaches stimulates their evolution and leads to new discoveries and achievements. Russia and the United States have unique technological capabilities and best practices in the field of space engineering. Russian specialists have extensive experience in creating reliable and efficient rocket engines, as well as life support systems for long-term missions in space. At the same time, American companies, such as SpaceX, are actively developing innovative approaches to the reusable use of rockets and the creation of technologies for the colonization of other planets. Ultimately, the goal of both Russia and the United States is to reach Mars. The Red Planet represents a new stage in human history where we can expand our presence beyond Earth and explore new horizons of science and technology. However, the path to Mars is not easy. This is a huge challenge from both a technical and financial point of view. Many obstacles, such as radiation protection, flight duration, and the stability of the psychological state of the crew, require innovative solutions and collective efforts. The competition between Russia and the United States in the field of reusable rockets for missions to Mars is not only a race for technological superiority, but also a symbolic rivalry between the two space powers. This is a challenge that stimulates innovation and inspires us to make new discoveries. At the same time, in this race, we must keep in mind the goals that unite us, expanding our borders with space exploration and finding answers to questions about the origin and future of our civilization. From the point of view of human exploration, Mars has long had an attractive force. This is a planet shrouded in mystery, beckoning humanity with the promise to answer deep questions about our universe and, perhaps, pave the way for interplanetary colonization. NASA, the United States' leading space agency, has been at the forefront of Mars exploration for decades, But now its most ambitious mission is underway, a manned expedition to the Red Planet. The journey to Mars began long before the first astronaut set foot on the Moon. It is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and an unquenchable desire to explore the unknown. Over the years, NASA has carefully prepared the ground for this ambitious project with a series of robotic missions, each based on the discoveries of its predecessors. Robotic probes such as the Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity rovers have served as pioneers, unraveling the mysteries of the Martian landscape, analyzing the composition of its soil, and providing valuable information about the geology and climate of the planet. These intrepid vehicles not only expanded our understanding of Mars, but also paved the way for future human exploration by identifying potential landing sites and testing the technologies needed to sustain life in harsh Martian conditions. Before embarking on a journey to Mars, NASA's Artemis program aims to ensure a sustainable human presence on the Moon. Acting as a testing ground for technologies needed for deep space exploration, Artemis will test the habitat, life support systems, and resource management techniques necessary for survival on other celestial bodies. The Moon's proximity to Earth provides an opportunity to refine these technologies and hone the skills needed for the long-term missions needed to explore Mars. With lessons learned from decades of robotic exploration and the achievements made under the Artemis program, NASA is now ready to launch a crewed mission to Mars. The Odyssey begins with the launch of the Orion spacecraft on a powerful Space Launch System (SLZ) rocket. After several months of traveling through space, the crew will arrive in orbit around Mars, where they will meet with a habitat module prepared in advance by robotic missions. The residential module, equipped with the most modern life support systems and radiation protection, will serve as the base of the crew during their stay on Mars. Designed to withstand the harsh conditions of Mars, the habitat will provide astronauts with a safe haven where they can live and work while conducting scientific research and exploration of the Martian surface. Equipped with modern rovers, unmanned aerial vehicles, and scientific instruments, astronauts will leave their habitats to explore the Martian landscape. Their mission will include a wide range of scientific tasks, from searching for signs of life in the past to studying the geology and climate of the planet. Their every step and every discovery will bring us one step closer to discovering the secrets of Mars and understanding our place in space. Traveling to Mars is not without difficulties. From the harsh conditions of space to the dangers associated with cosmic radiation and microgravity, the risks faced by the crew are enormous. However, it is in the face of adversity that humanity's desire for exploration manifests itself most vividly. Through ingenuity, perseverance, and absolute determination, astronauts will overcome these difficulties and pave the way for a brighter future for humanity. NASA's mission to Mars represents a giant leap for humanity, a testament to our innate curiosity and our ability to push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a journey that will inspire future generations and pave the way for a future in which humanity will transcend the Earth. Going on this odyssey to the Red Planet, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all those who dare to look at the stars and wonder what lies beyond them. Subscribe to the channel and like it, so that we can continue to create useful videos for you.